Well, hello guys, welcome back to Mel's Creations 18. I am super excited about this video today. I will be giving you 5 tips on how to make your t-shirt business grow and be successful, guys. So now before we start, guys, and before I forget, make sure you subscribe and that you hit that little bell. I don't know which side it's gonna be on, but make sure you hit it so that you can be notified of when I post new videos. Alright, keep on watching. Well guys, I really wanted this video to be like very chill, like you're actually sitting down with me and I'm talking to you and just giving you advice on how to start your t-shirt business. And I'm pretty sure most of these tips you can apply to any other type of business that you have. Okay, so I will be looking like over here because I did take some notes just so that I don't forget. I always forget what I'm talking about. I don't know if I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one out there that I can just be talking and I just forget my point or what I'm talking about. So I took some notes, so if you see me looking this way or whatever, I'm looking at my notes, okay? So we're gonna start with tip number 1. All right, tip number 1. Social media. I can't stress it enough of how important it is for you guys, if you have a small business, to have Facebook, your own page, Etsy, YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, you name it, okay? It's one of the ways that you're gonna get your name out there, okay? So be very active, post interesting things. You know, you just don't wanna get people bored and like block you. But definitely you want to grow. If you open up a Facebook group, you want to grow it, you want to build your clientele, and that's a good way to sell. I can tell you that for my business, about 50% of my sales come from Facebook. Facebook, it's so important. You can sell stuff either on your Facebook page, Facebook group, on the what is it, buy, sell, trade groups on Facebook. They're very popular. And other groups, you know, like mom groups, you can post your stuff for sale. So please, and it's free, guys, just please take advantage of that. It's free, it's there. You really, I'm telling you, that is a good way for people to find out about you. So you need to use it. All right, tip number 2. And this is very important. Customer service. Oh God. Yes, clients can be stressful and you have to deal with some people that you don't want to deal with, especially on those days that, you know, you're not having a good day, you're in a bad mood, your kids, just life in general, you know. But, and I can tell you that I'm not a very social person. I am very, if I don't know you, I'm very shy. I'm just awkward. And I don't know how I have this customer service skills, but you definitely want to develop a good customer service, you know, skills. You really want to be good with your clients. You want to let them know that you actually care about them, that you want them back. You don't want a client that is just gonna purchase that one time that they needed you and that's it. They're gonna move on to the next person. Because let's be honest, a lot of people have this t-shirt business. A lot of people are doing it. So why would they go to you? Why? You have to give them a reason to come back. You want to make them feel that you want their business, that they're very important to you. You want to be friendly. You want to get the order right and fast. And I'm talking like 2 to 3 days, okay? I mean, you can take longer, but you know, let them know, communicate with your clients, all that. Make sure you ask for a review. So, you know, people that go to your Facebook page, they can read the reviews that you get. Even if they're bad, think about it, think about the review, and every day think of how you and your business can be better. Just every day you can improve. I'm pretty sure every single day there's something you can improve. Okay, guys? Tip number 3. Packaging. Oh my God. Now, before I started, I'm sorry I keep moving, but this chair, it's a new chair that I got, and it's like, you can't really move it easily. I don't know, but it's comfortable. So anyways, the packaging. Before I started with this business, I kind of, because there was other girls that were doing the same thing, so I kind of purchased something from, you know, different people, and I saw that even though they had like cute items, the packaging, like, it was not that great, you know. And so that's something I really wanted to improve. For my packaging, man, it is so different from when I started. I don't think I can even remember how I started packaging my stuff. I'm pretty sure it was cute, but you know, I started every month. It was something different. I like to try new ideas, you know. It's always gonna be different, and I want it to be interesting and cute for my customers. So I will show you a few of the things that I use for my packaging. Obviously, with any business, you need business cards. So make sure that they're cute, professional, and that basically you want to really show what you're doing. Don't put a lot of writing in it. These are my business cards. Basically just my name. You really want to make that first good impression with your business cards, okay? Now, I use these little things that I made myself right there, and this is for my shirts, okay? I put them in every single shirt, and it just shows them that I do have a YouTube channel, a Facebook page, and Snapchat. So that's my social media where they can find me. And you want to use cute, you know, colorful things to wrap your stuff in. I use, you know, these are my colors of my business, which is like baby blue, baby pink, baby purple, like pastel colors. Colors like this. And you can find this like at Dollar Tree, you know, stuff like that. It can be very cheap, you know. But definitely you want your packaging to stand out from the crowd. People love receiving my items because of the packaging. Definitely I would ask questions like, did you like it? What would you change? Maybe package a few things differently, and ask your family members and friends. Ask them for, you know, tips. Ask them like, what do they really think? Tell them to be honest with you, and what could you improve, you know? So definitely just have fun with it. You really want to have fun, try new things, and yeah, just make it cute. Tip number 4. I forgot. All right, constantly come out with new things, okay? So has it ever happened to you that, you know, you see this girl that has like a vinyl t-shirt business, and she's always posting the same things, different colors? Oh my God, that happened to me. it gets boring. People lose interest in your items. Like, they just don't want to see the same thing over and over again. So definitely come out with new things at least every week. You know, like, just the way I see it is, and I've always done it the same way. I'll think of I don't know, a new t-shirt design. I go and buy 10 of those items, make it, start selling them. What can you lose? If you don't sell them all, then you can put them on sale, you can raffle them, you can use them yourself. I mean, you're not gonna lose anything, okay? And what if you do sell it? You know, what if it sells out quick and you have to buy more? So it's pretty much worth it. It's worth the investment to just, you know, come out with new things, new fun, cute things. I have noticed that in this business, once you come out with one thing, then the rest of them follow and want to sell the same thing. I wouldn't worry too much about it because your clients will know. They know, trust me, they know who sells the same stuff. Because I'm pretty sure at least one time they've purchased something from that person. So they follow them, you know, and they follow you. And they see you coming out with new cute things, your packaging's on point, customer service is on point. There's a lot of competition out there. So always, you know, try to be creative, try to find ways to sell your stuff, okay? Now, tip number 5, which is kind of like the same thing that we were talking about. You want to find ways to sell your items, okay? Like, you can't, in this type of business, you can't just sit at home and wait for customers to call you. You are not that important, you're not famous, so it takes a lot of work. You really have to want this. Like, you can't just give up, you can't just be lazy. Like, you really have to work. This is a full-time job. You never get a break. You're always thinking of new ideas to sell, to do this, to do that, and only this way you're gonna see your baby, your business grow, you know, because I've seen it, and I've always thought about, you know, I always think about this advice that I'm giving you, and I always go by it, and thank God it's been a year. Yes, I've had ups and downs, you know, like any other business. There's slow months, there's months where I get no sleep, you know, but it's been a good experience after all. Some different ways that I sell my stuff, it's Snapchat. I love Snapchat because you can just make a quick video, and people will see it and they will like it and they will ask. Another thing that I do is I tell my Snapchat friends that if they share any of my snaps, they will be entered into a contest. So people start sharing your snaps and their friends start seeing your snaps, and then that's how, you know, people find out about you, and I get a lot of sales this way, okay? So that's a good tip. Raffles on your Facebook group, free giveaways, so that one, people can find out about you. You know, word of mouth is very important. Grow your Facebook page. And I have an Etsy page, which I haven't had any luck with it, but I'm not giving up. I completely changed everything that I do sell. I used to sell like physical items from my Etsy shop. Now I don't anymore. It's just SVG files, which I think it just takes the stress out of the shipping and stuff like that. And right now I really don't have the time to be, you know, getting those orders from Etsy, which I mean, I had none. But I didn't have the time to be checking, updating pictures, this and editing. I just didn't have the time. So I was like, what's another way that I can make an income and not worry too much about it? So basically I just make designs that I use in my shop and just sell them to people that have the same business or do this for a hobby. So that's a good way. Another way, you can give classes, you can, it's just so many ways, like just so much that I do every day so that I have good sales and I'm not just sitting at home, you know, cracking my fingers and worrying about, you know, if I'm gonna sell anything this week or not. Number 6. Quality. Oh my god. All right, so obviously you don't want to buy something that, for example, a shirt that you're gonna wash and then it's just not gonna look right. Like the logo or whatever are gonna start peeling off, the shirt is all scratchy, or the color starts washing off. You don't want that. So you definitely want to make sure that you have good quality t-shirts and stuff, or anything that you sell, that it's like that you know how to do your job, that the vinyl's not gonna come off, that, you know, make sure that if you're selling mugs, glasses, make sure that they're not cracked, you know, make sure that you're packaging them right so that, you know, when you give it to your client on the way home they don't crack it. You really want to pay attention to that. And remember, we all make mistakes. I've made them, I keep making them, and I will always make mistakes. But I have noticed that as long as you're communicating with your clients, and if you make, like, if you get an order wrong, just apologize, fix it. I usually just send them like a free gift, something small, and that just lets them know that I really do care about them and I want their business, you know. I want them to still be my clients and not go to somebody else. But if they do, it's okay. Well guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video today. It was very fun making it and it was pretty quick. But I really hope that you take advantage of these tips, and if you're planning or starting your own business already, good luck to you, and remember, have fun with it. As long as you have fun, like my mother always told me, as long as you have fun and you do what you love, it's never going to get boring or become a job for you. So I really do love what I do. And right now with YouTube, I'm starting a new journey and we'll see where it takes me. But I am pretty excited, guys. So until next time, I see you guys later.